Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. You can't access any of its settings by holding your finger on it, unfortunately, but by tapping on it once, you can start recording. You also will see a tutorial that by touching on microphone you can switch your microphone, and by tapping here you can stop recording. And after that recording starts, let's record some of our screen, for example, settings. As you have been told, you can switch your microphone here, and by tapping here you can stop recording. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. And in the videos album you can find your recording. And here it is. What's going on? Oh. After that recording starts, let's record some of our screens, for example. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.